Hi everyone! Today we'll talk on the waterfalls, which have captivated human imagination for millennia. These awe-inspiring natural wonders, where rushing water plunges over steep cliffs or cascades down rocky slopes, represent the raw power and mesmerizing beauty of nature. More than just tourist attractions, waterfalls play a crucial role in shaping landscapes, maintaining water flow, and supporting diverse ecosystems. The origins of waterfalls lie in the sculpting power of water itself. Over time, rivers and streams erode softer rock formations, leaving behind resistant layers as cliffs and slopes. Water, flowing over these hard rock formations, eventually takes the plunge, creating the dramatic displays we see today. Factors like the underlying geology, volume of water, and surrounding environment all contribute to the unique characteristics of each waterfall. The impact of waterfalls extends far beyond their visual grandeur. They play a vital role in shaping landscapes. The force of the cascading water continuously erodes the rock beneath, slowly shifting the waterfall's location over time. Additionally, the spray from waterfalls can weather and erode surrounding rock formations, creating unique geological features like caves or potholes. The ecosystems surrounding waterfalls are often vibrant and diverse. The constant mist and spray create a microclimate, providing essential moisture for plants that might not thrive in drier conditions. The base of the falls is frequently home to lush vegetation, while the churning water provides a habitat for specialized fish and aquatic insects. The roar of the waterfall also attracts birds, making these areas rich in biodiversity. Waterfalls have also held cultural significance for various communities throughout history. Many indigenous cultures around the world revere waterfalls as sacred places, weaving them into their myths and legends. The powerful energy and beauty of waterfalls are seen as symbols of purification, renewal, or the power of nature itself. However, the future of waterfalls is not without threats. Climate change, with its impact on rainfall patterns, can significantly affect the flow rate of waterfalls. Additionally, deforestation can alter the surrounding environment and lead to increased erosion or sedimentation in the watercourse. Pollution from human activities can also threaten the health of the ecosystems surrounding waterfalls. In conclusion, waterfalls are more than just stunning displays of nature's power. They are vital parts of our planet's hydrological network, shaping landscapes, maintaining water quality, and supporting diverse ecosystems. By recognizing their ecological significance and cultural importance, we can ensure that these breathtaking wonders continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come. Thank you for watching.